If you want to whiten teeth in Lightroom Mobile quickly and make them look clean, bright, and natural, this tutorial will walk you through the easiest methods step by step. We're going to reduce yellow tones and increase brightness only on the teeth area without affecting the rest of the photo. The key here is to keep the adjustments subtle so the teeth still look realistic, not fake or overly blue. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your photo inside Lightroom Mobile and make sure you're working on a close-up where the teeth are clearly visible. Once your image is loaded, tap on the masking option. You'll usually find this as the circle icon in the editing tools. After that, choose Brush from the masking menu. This lets you paint the adjustment directly onto the teeth area only, which is exactly what we want. Now, zoom in on the mouth so you can work more accurately. Zooming in makes it much easier to stay within the teeth and avoid editing the lips or gums by accident. With the brush selected, start painting over the teeth area carefully. Try to cover the whole visible surface of the teeth while keeping your strokes inside the edges. If you go a little outside the lines, don't worry, because you can clean it up later. Once the teeth are selected, it's time to make the actual adjustment. First, move the Temp slider to the left. This cools down the color and helps reduce that yellow look. Then adjust Tint slightly toward green by pulling it just a little left if needed. This can help neutralize warm tones even more. Next, increase exposure slightly. This adds brightness to the teeth so they look cleaner and whiter. After that, lower saturation a little. This removes some of the unwanted color from the teeth and helps them appear more natural. Remember, small changes are best here. If you push the sliders too far, the teeth can start looking artificial, so aim for a soft, realistic whitening effect. Now, check the edges of your mask. If you accidentally paint it outside the teeth area, use the Erase option to clean up the selection. This is especially important around the gums and lips, so the adjustment stays precise. Take a few seconds to refine the mask until it looks neat and accurate. Once you're happy with the result, tap the checkmark or Done button to save the mask. At this point, you should see the teeth look brighter, cleaner, and more balanced, while still keeping a natural appearance. That's the whole process for whitening teeth in Lightroom Mobile in a quick and easy way. The most important thing to remember is subtlety. A tiny reduction in yellow, a small increase in brightness, and a gentle drop in saturation can make a huge difference without making the teeth look fake. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Lightroom Mobile editing tips, beginner-friendly tutorials, and fast photo editing tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.